Welcome back to Cyber Learning, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today we will show you how to schedule posts on LinkedIn. Step 1. Create your post. To begin, you need to craft your post content. You can use any tool to compose your text message, or you can decide an online content and get its link you like to post. Step 2. Access LinkedIn and start a new post. Once you're on your home feed, click on the Start a Post option. This will open up the post creation window. Step 3. Paste your content and add media. Paste the content you previously created into the post window. You can also add media elements like images or videos or thumbnail to make your post more engaging. Step 4. Access the scheduling feature. Before clicking on the post button, look for the clock icon, which represents the scheduling feature. Click on it to schedule your post. Step 5. Set the date and time. Choose the date and time you want your post to go live. LinkedIn will show you the time based on your location, ensuring optimal reach for your audience. Once you've selected the desired date and time, click Next. Bonus step: managing scheduled posts. If you want to view or manage your scheduled posts, it's easy. Click on Start a Post again, then select the Schedule button. From there, click on View All Scheduled Posts to see your upcoming posts. If you need to make changes, you can adjust the date or time, or even delete a scheduled post. Now you can effortlessly plan and manage your content to engage your audience effectively. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and tips on cyber learning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content.